how to fix you are all caught up on issues on Instagram. Hello everybody. If you're wondering how, you may follow up this method. So for that, you may head over to Instagram, and then if you have that issue, you need to refresh your page. So for that, you may pull your page down, and when you do, it will refresh your page and it will give you a new feed, and that might also resolve temporary glitch in the app's display. Apart from that, you may close your Instagram app and then go ahead and open it up after a few seconds and then see if that clears any temporary data or bugs that might be causing the issue. Apart from that, ensure that you have a proper connection as well, internet connection, and you may try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see. After that, you may update your app. For that, head over to Play Store, and from Play Store, go to the search bar in the bottom, and from here, go to the search and then type in Instagram, and then you may update your app. If the problem persists, you may try clearing the cache of the app. So you may long press on the app and then go to the info section at the top, and once you head over here, scroll down, go to storage, and then go ahead and clear the cache and also data if necessary. So if the problem still persists after that, you may also go ahead and contact the customer support, but for now you may follow up this method. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.